Hello and welcome to another episode of Google Sheets tutorial with Syed. In this episode, we will talk about how to VLookup in Google Sheets from another sheet. To follow along with me, please click on the link in the video description to make a working copy of this workbook. In this workbook, I have three sheets. Sheet is where I will demonstrate. Second sheet is do it. This is where you can practice. And we have a data set sheet that we will use for demonstration. In the C8 sheet, I would like to extract the full name and staff type of these employee IDs from the dataset sheet. To do that, I can start writing my VLookup here in cell B2. The first argument that I need to pass is the search key. What is that I am trying to look? I am trying to look for this employee ID, comma. Where should I look for that data? In the range argument, I need to provide the data source. So I am trying to look for that data in another sheet, which is data set. Here I want my VLookup to check all these columns, comma. Now when that value is found, what should VLookup return? In this case, I want VLookup to return my full name. So from the lookup column, that is column A, my lookup column is sitting in fourth column, that is column D. So I will enter number 4 here, comma. I will enter 0 for exact match, 1 for approximate. In my case, I want it to be exact match, so I will enter 0, close the bracket, and now press enter. There we go. I have the full name extracted for me using the VLookup from another sheet. If I drag this down, my VLookup is going to extract rest of the full names from the dataset sheet. Let us give it another try. Here I would like to extract the staff type from another sheet. So for that, I will start typing a VLookup. Search key is my employee ID. Where should I look? I should look in the data set here. And my staff type is sitting in the column G, which is from column A, that is my lookup column. It is column number 7. So I will enter number 7. Then I will enter comma. I want it to be exact match. So I enter 0 here, close the bracket, and then I press enter. I have my staff type extracted. I will drag this down now. There we go. My VLookup has extracted all the values from another sheet. I request you to practice by going into the do it sheet. Try practicing as much as you can. The more you practice, the more you will retain. In the next episode, we will try to do a VLookup in Google Sheets from another workbook. Stay tuned. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click on that little bell icon to enable notifications. Thank you and have a very lovely day. See you soon.